Assalamu alaikum, hello viewers. In this video I will draw the SFD and BMD diagram for simply supported beam when moment is acting on it, clockwise moment and anti-clockwise moment. Here the clockwise moment is acting. 50 kip clockwise moment is acting at 20 feet span. These are the distances, and first of all we will find out the reactions. Taking moment about point A, VB is upward, it create taking moment about point A, this VB create the counterclockwise taken as VB into 20 span, minus 50 is create the clockwise moment. Thus we can find out VB is equal to 2.5, and by taking Fy is equal to 0 we can find out VA is equal to 2.5 downward. It is acting upward, it will act downward because here only moment is acting on the beam, no any other force is acting. So one will be upward, the second will be downward. Now I will draw the SFD diagram. This is the V1 which is equal to VA minus 2.5. It is downward, so it is taken as minus 2.5. Here it is minus 2.5. Downward it is minus 2.5. And V2 is also minus 2.5. This we can find out by V1 previous moment plus loading area. Here from A to B there is no loading area, no UDL or no UVL is acting, so loading area is 0, so V2 is also equal to minus 2.5, and no shear force is changing between A to B because there is no load is acting between A and B. Now I will draw the BMD diagram for this. This is M1, here is the roller, so M1 will be 0. At roller and pin moment always 0. And this is M2. How we find out M2? M2 is equal to M1 plus minus SFD area. M1 is 0 previous moment minus this SFD area. This is the SFD area. 2.5 into this 15 feet. A to C. SFD area between A and C. We will subtract it from the moment here because it is downward. We will add it if it is upward from this baseline. This is the AB is the baseline, so shear force area is downward, so that is why we will subtract it. This we can find out M2. Here the M2, this slope of the line. Here the slope of the SFD is 0. Thus the slope of BMD will be first degree slope, because the slope of BMD is 1 degree higher than the slope of SFD, and slope of SFD is 1 degree higher than the slope of loading acting over here. Remember this rule. Here we will find out M3. M3 is equal to this one. M3 is equal to previous moment plus minus the moment acting on that point. Here the moment is acting 50 clockwise. So if the clockwise moment is acting, add it in the previous moment. We will find out moment at that point. If anti-clockwise moment is acting, then subtract it. Here the clockwise moment is acting, so add it in the previous moment. We will find out that moment. This is M3, how we can find out. And this is M4 is equal to M3 previous moment plus minus SFD area. SFD area between C and B, which is equal to 2.5 into 5. 5 is the span and 2.5. We will subtract it because it is downward, it is below the baseline. So thus M4 is equal to 0, and M4 is equal to 0. This is our check that M4 at last must be 0 because here it is pin. So M4 must be 0. This is the BMD diagram for this case. And now we can see it here, the moment is acting counterclockwise. So this is the SFD and this is the BMD diagram for counterclockwise moment. It is SFD and BMD for clockwise moments, and here for counterclockwise moment. You can check it by yourself. Thanks for watching.